In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. For whatever reason, maybe you want to change your name or maybe put your middle name or change your last name on your Facebook. It's really easy to do. So what you want to do is go ahead and load up your Facebook and go to the menu option at the bottom right corner. This is going to bring you to like a bunch of your personal things, your settings and all that fun stuff. So what you want to do is go ahead and go scroll down until you see your settings and privacy, and then go into your settings. So at the very top, you just want to go into your account center and then go to profiles and click the one that you want to change. So I'm just going to change my personal Facebook page and then go over to name. So from this point, you can change your name. You could put a middle name, change your last name if you're someone that just got married or whatever reason you have, and go ahead and review the change. Now, it's important to know that you can't change it again for 60 days. So make sure you choose it correctly. So I'm not going to change it just because I don't want to mess something up here. But you change your name, review the change, and you're going to be stuck with it for about 60 days. So it's important to know that detail before you save your changes. So that is how you would go about changing your name on Facebook. It's really quick, really easy to do. And that is it. Hope you guys found this video very helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next one.